Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. And before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much. I am growing this channel in record time thanks to you guys. I love all of the interaction, the comments, the subscribes, the thumbs up, the likes, everything. So thank you guys all so much. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I have reviewed here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick one of these watches up for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into what I have planned for today. I have a Pagani Design watch. This watch is a wonderful, wonderful watch. I do like my Pagani Design watches. They are one of my favorite brands of watches. I really do love these watches. I think you get an amazing value for the money on these watches, and this watch is no exception to that rule. Let's get into it right away. This is a very nautical looking boat friendly watch style. It's got really good weight to this thing. This is a stainless steel construction on this watch with an awesome bezel. The movement on this bezel is so intricate. It is very tight tolerance on this thing. It has no back play whatsoever. Wonderful feel when you turn this bezel. It is just an amazing quality build on this thing. And you guys know I'm a real big fan of this teal color. I love these teal colored watches with those dials. This is an automatic. It does not have the exhibition case, but it is a self-winding automatic. Wonderful watch with the screw down crown. You wind it up. It does have that sweeping second hand. It is a really nice watch. Great performing watch, nice looking watch. Like I said, stainless steel construction. This is the Pagani Design PD1719. That's the Pagani Design 1719. This watch has the Seiko NH38 movement in it with the stainless steel construction. It's got the sapphire crystal with the bubble dome on it, which is raised. Very nice. Good quality watch. Like, I mean, there's no play in the bezel. It doesn't move up or down. It's really tight tolerance. Wonderful bracelet on this thing with the folding security clasp on it. I haven't taken off the plastic, but you can kind of get an idea for it here. It's just a wonderful brushed stainless look on this thing with the milled clasp. It's just a really nice watch all around. This bezel is kind of unique. It looks like it has two rings on it. It is a dive watch, which is boasting a 300 meter capacity for water resistance. I have not, like I said, I have not tested it or anything, but it is a wonderful watch. It's even got an engraved, this is not laser etched. When they put this stuff on the back, it's actually engraved right into the metal. They put little designs on the backs of some of their watches that don't have exhibition cases, but you can see right there 300 meters of water resistance on this thing. The PD1719 down there in the corner. Stainless steel construction. This is just a great watch with a nice build. Really good weight to this thing. Like I said, Seiko NH38. You can't beat that. Now, guys, you're going to be amazed at what the price is on this thing. You can pick up this watch spec'd the way it is with the sapphire crystal, the NH38 movement, the beautiful loom capability, the wonderful build construction on this, the stainless steel, the security clasp with the milled clasp on the inside, dive bezel. This watch right now on Amazon is about 130 bucks. And right now there's a 10% off coupon on this watch. So if you do want to head on over and pick that up, I would appreciate clicking on that affiliate link that I will post below. It's definitely a nice looking watch. It is something that you will enjoy wearing. Just good weight to it. Like I said, it's very comfortable to turn the bezel with a very satisfying clicky feel on that bezel. It doesn't hang up. I have not sized it for my wrist, but you can kind of get a good idea of what it looks like on the wrist, and that's just an amazing looking watch all around. So once again, screw down crown, NH35 movement, stainless steel construction, sapphire crystal with the bubble look, milled clasp with the safety fold over. Just a very nice watch all around. I definitely give this watch a go. It's a very nice watch if you're looking for a dive watch that looks very classy. I will, like I said, we'll post a link to it in the description below so you guys can head on over and pick that up. But I would definitely do it right now while they have that 10% coupon running. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but I would definitely head on over and pick that up because it's a very nice, accurate watch with an automatic movement. So, like I said before, thank you guys so much if you're already a subscriber, and if you're not, please make sure you click that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you like this content and you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of these watches and watches of interest and provide links for you to actually purchase these watches. So, until next time, I am Dave the Watchman, reviewing the Pagani Design PD1719, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you all and have a great day today. Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here. I'm coming at you with another watch contest. Today I'm going to be giving away 2 watches, not 1 but 2 watches. Very beautiful homage watches of a higher end luxury brand. Wonderful watches. One is a dive watch, the other one is a GMT bezel watch. Very nice 24-hour bezel on this one, dive bezel on this one. Great watches, good quality, one by Arlanc and the other one by Liege. Wonderful watches. In order to win the contest, I'm going to need 1,000 subscribers in total by June 30th, 2024 at midnight. I need you all to post in all capital letters, great video, in the comment section below, followed by hashtag Dave the Watchman. So, great video in all capital letters, hashtag Dave the Watchman, and that will enter you into this contest. Then I need you to share this with as many people as possible, because if I reach 1,000 subscribers by June 30th, 2024 at midnight, I will have a random drawing, and one lucky subscriber is going to walk away with both of these watches. You will need to be a subscriber in order to be eligible to win these watches. Once again, 1,000 subscribers in total by June 30th, 2024, or there will be no drawing. You will need to be a current subscriber, and I need you to post great video in all capital letters in the comment section below, followed by hashtag Dave the Watchman, and you will be entered for the drawing to win these watches. Thank you all, and good luck to everyone.